Hey guys, we'll do a quick aftermarket wrap up. It will be quick too. So we got the pullback consolidation in the equity indexes that we were looking for, and the market just broke below daily three for the first time. Um, so we're still consolidating, I guess. um, what does it look like? Going into tomorrow, we've got jobs reports and ISM non-manufacturing. We just broke through the monthly mean. And as I pointed out, there is a level right here, right at the 50 EMA. And that's likely where a lot of the ETFs and things like that are targeting that daily 50 EMA on the VIX. And I've got a weekly one here that it just breached. So I think that's going to be short lived. And we'll see another pop of volatility. This looks like it's a stop run more than anything else. So don't get too accustomed to going short at this point. That might be coming back up. And then the market coming back down. So we'll have to wait and see. NQ hit our level between the daily ones, and we had a 60-day one and this weekly mean. Um, so we're, at this just waiting place for jobs numbers. Of course, Friday, of course, is the big jobs number report. So we could theoretically keep going higher from here. So we'll just have to wait and see which way this market shakes out after these jobs numbers post tomorrow and the ISM manufacturing numbers. I did want to point out a couple of things from our chart review this morning. The market came down in crude and just sat on the monthly mean most of the day. And that's also a weekly 7-day level. And there's your monthly mean. So I'd like to see it continue going short, obviously, for the price difference and see it keep pushing down. But, it could, just sit there and inflect back up as well. We don't know what's going to happen to it at this point. I think the max pain is more bullish than I would like the market to be. So I think the dealer positioning is actually a little bit more bullish in crude. And this is a gamma eating exercise for them. Gold did came up to our weekly levels and broke above it just a little bit. And it actually played into a dealer hedge zone that I've been tracking. I'm going to be incorporating it. I've already got it coded out to put it into the main report, my dealer gap boxes. I just hesitated to add it to the code. I wanted to watch it for a few days and see if it's working correctly. It's working on all markets. It's working in the VIX, it's working in the equity index, and now it's working in gold. So I'm going to go ahead and incorporate my dealer gap box. And so I can have a hedge line. So it's like a zone. It's a point range outside the Jats PT line. So instead of an exact line, we're going to have like a little hedge box on the Jats PT levels that it could be extended to allow the dealer to move the market back down. The market was really green going into this. We had everything on my trend. my momentum, my linear regression, everything green, 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 and it was just sitting here for the longest time on the level and not moving. So I knew that the market wasn't going to be pushing off of it at any time soon. So it took the dealer a little bit to turn it around, and they eventually pushed it back down. So now that they're back below the weekly three, we'll see if they can get it back above. If they get it back above, it's wide open spaces. It's going to be flying. There's, a long way to go on the monthly, up to that monthly two. And same thing for the quarterly. So 36.72, 36.73. So that would be the next stop. If we can get back above it this week. So we'll see what they do with that. You can see how these levels play. They can sit around these levels like forever. It could sit on this level for a couple of days, just, zippering inside this range. So we'll see how they shake this out. All right. So that's it for me, short and sweet. Bitcoin just flat. You know, I don't have anything to say about that. And just keep my eye on these 6-month twos. We're back above the first 6-month two, but we haven't breached that 64.75. That's the big number. That's the one we want to watch. If it gets on top of that, it's good night, Irene. It's going to take off to the upside, and I mean party with it. That's going to be a very positive, very positive. So we've got the 64.70 monthly one and the 64.75 6-month two. Otherwise, it's going to come straight back down. But market sure doesn't act like it wants to, does it? It's ready. I mean, we had our 1-day sell-off. I mean, where our corrections are, being reduced to 1-day periods and then consolidate flat. Um, so we'll see what happens. All right. I hope y'all have a great night. Thank you so much. And we'll see you tomorrow.